This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. IDFC First Bank Inception. The infrastructure lending business of IDFC was carved into IDFC First Bank Ltd. The bank began operations in 2015. IDFC Ltd holds stake in the bank through a full-owned non-operative financial holding company, IDFC Financial Holding Company. Through this fully owned subsidiary company, IDFC holds 36.6% stake in IDFC First Bank. Later, Capital First was also merged with IDFC First Bank, which bought retail book to the bank. IDFC and IDFC First Bank reverse merger. IDFC First Bank's board has now accorded in principle approval in favor of a merger with IDFC Ltd and IDFC Financial Holding Company. A reverse merger would entail an exit from a holding company structured by the bank. For the reverse merger to happen, IDFC First Bank has to buy out the 36.6% stake held by IDFC Ltd in the bank. Extinguish these shares. IDFC corporate structure. IDFC Valuation. As on 31st December 21, IDFC First Bank's market cap is 30,044 crore as its share price of 48 rupee 35 paise. IDFC Ltd 36.6 stake in the bank is worth 11,000 crore roughly. IDFC First Bank liquidity requirements may not permit the bank to pay out 11,000 crore in cash to the shareholders of IDFC Ltd to buy out their stake. Hence, IDFC First Bank may opt to issue the shares of the bank to the shareholders of IDFC Ltd. As on 31st December 2021, IDFC Ltd's market cap is 10,074 crore as its share price of 63 rupees 10 paise. This would imply a share swap ratio of 1.10 shares of IDFC First Bank per every one share of IDFC Ltd. IDFC AMC Valuation. Through its fully owned subsidiary company, IDFC Financial Holding Company, IDFC Ltd fully owns its mutual fund company, IDFC AMC Ltd. As of September 2021, the assets under management of IDFC AMC Ltd are 1.26 lakh crore. At a benchmark valuation norm of 5% of AUM, IDFC AMC Ltd has an approximate valuation of 6,300 crore. Before or after the reverse merger, IDFC AMC Ltd will be sold out to a third party. IDFC Ltd shareholders wish that the sale consideration amount should be paid out to them as dividend. This will work out to a dividend of roughly 37 rupees per share of IDFC Ltd. The dividend amount may reduce 30 rupees per share of IDFC Ltd. after adjusting for the capital gains tax to be paid by the company. Intrinsic value of each share of IDFC Ltd. In a nutshell, IDFC Ltd shareholders may get 1.10 shares of IDFC First Bank and 30 rupees as a dividend. Dividend again at the sale consideration of IDFC AMC. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel.